In this video, we're going to be having lunch at Sanaa. We'll tell you about the food, the price, and what we think, and also about the view of the animals. Sanaa is located at Disney's Animal Kingdom Villa's Kidani Village. Because we didn't have our own vehicle on property, the easiest way for us to get to the restaurant was to go to the nearest theme park and board a bus to Disney's Animal Kingdom Villas. Upon arriving, it's easy to see that the resort itself is beautiful, with a very unique design. But the best part of the resort is the amazing views of the animals. After taking a few minutes to enjoy the views of the animals, it was time for our lunch at Sanaa. Reservations are strongly encouraged for both lunch and dinner because this is a popular location. Okay, thank you.
The restaurant is beautifully themed, and the menu itself is said to be African cooking with Indian flavors. For our appetizer, we had the popular Indian-style bread service.
So let me tell you a little bit about the sauces. So you have the spiciest to least spicy in this order. And then you use some same orderized chili sambal, blue lime pickle, coriander chutney, garlic pickle. Those are the main four spicy ones. This side is hummus, tomato jam, tamarind chutney, mango chutney, and cucumber raita. On the plate, you have spicy naan bread at the top. And then there's garlic ginger naan, fish roll naan, and there's paneer paratha, which has paneer cheese in it. The last one is onion.
First off, the appetizer is delicious. So many different ways to mix and match, and so many fun flavors to try. Plus, it's fun to talk about as you eat, and share suggestions for which flavors you should mix and try. Here's a full list of the appetizers. Then it was time for our entrees. We each really enjoyed what we ordered. This restaurant may be a bit more adventurous than we usually go for, but the entrees were flavorful and delicious. Here are the lunch entrees. And here are the dinner entrees. And here are the options for children. The only thing we would do differently next time is request a table closer to the windows, but we still love checking out the animals before and after our meal.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a like, and consider subscribing to the channel because I have more food reviews at Disneyland, Walt Disney World, and the Disney Cruise Line. Thanks so much for watching, and have a very magical day. Bye.